Hey guys, so she's all armed up with a 4S. Let's do some line of sight. I think I've surpassed pack 50 now, so it's about time to buy some goggles. We've got hat cam on today for your viewing pleasure out in my backyard. Yep, love it out here. Makes a great drone course. Motorbikes, you name it, we do everything out here. It's good fun. So I'll be doing a lot more racing around this block once I get some goggles and can start going FPV out there and go through my track and follow the old motorbike track all the way up and around and back down the hill again. And then yeah, got some nice open space out above us to punch out of and have some fun. So yeah, cool. Well, I was going to try like a full power loop then, but I kind of wimped out. Oh, fuck it, savage. Yeah, sweet. It's fucking nuts. 4S is just, I'm still getting used to the grunt it's got. It's fucking nuts. I got this drone stuck in a tree the other day, right up the top of a gum tree. Just behind me it is. And yeah, took 16 meters of aluminium to get that sucker out of there, which is actually this frame. I'm glad I did though. It was a mission. All right. Sort of fell off the perch there a bit with my throttle. I do that sometimes, just sort of daze out on the sticks a little sometimes, like just an inexperienced thing. Yeah, sick. That's 3 tricks in one. Yeah, power loop, fuck yeah. It's nuts. Yeah, crazy nuts. Oh, pull that one back in. Today I'm just supposed to actually, I had intended to just like hover about and you know, do some slow shit, but you can't help yourself just wanting to fucking punch it around everywhere and go nuts and do crazy shit like that. Just like that. Oh, it flies still. Let's keep going. That had me a bit concerned there. Fucking too much jibber jabber and not enough concentrating on flying. That's videos. Oh, bit of a tree job. Yeah, we got something out there. Might bring her in and have a bit of a look. What do we got? What do we got? We got a bit of a, I think it might be a rear prop on it or something like that. Sounds a little out. Let's have a quick look. Or is it the front one? Oh, no, we got a high one there. Oh, it's not that one. They're doing okay. Okay, back up in there. Oh shit. Yeah, I fucked that up. I really fucked that right up. Yeah, we got a prop right out now. You can hear that. Oh, she's right out. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Nesty. All right, well, it might be time to call it quits on that one, just so we don't. Oh yeah, we got a couple of outs. God, eh? Took a smashing. Okay, let's get it back up the top. Try and fly her home. Oh yeah, we got props way out here. Shit. Yeah, she's not liking the venti proppy thing. Bit of outs, but hey, I've been going a few days on this set, so I'm kind of happy with that. Bit of mowing. Alright, well that'll be it for today, folks. Catch you later. Another awesome little fun video. Woohoo!